Hi guys, today we are going to see basically how to customize the tool set and to reset the user interface in case you just lose some tools. Okay, some tools you just lose it and you are not able to find it. So here are the easy method. Very quickly I'll just show it to you. Number one is first is you just go to Windows, and in the Windows you have the preset workspace. In the workspace you have essential, graphic and web, motion, painting, photography. So these are the 5 preset options they have given. Suppose these are the essential by default. You can just see all the default setting will be there in that positions. For example, I'll just move this over here and just moving this adjustment. When you move anything, it's terrible. You just keep your cursor on the top of this. Can you see like this? Just move it over here. For beginners, I'm just showing you. You can just see and you can dock it back. You can dock it back here. You can dock it back here. And here you can have an icon to expand it and contract it. Okay, just you can move it back. Okay, in case sometimes you close this, okay, by accidentally you closed it, and you want to make everything back to the default position, then go to Windows Workspace and click on Reset Essential. Suppose the Essential, click on Essential, Reset Essential, automatically everything will go to its original position. And this one you can just see, this is a toolbar. It is called a taskbar, contextual taskbar. Okay, so when you just disable this or enable this, you can enable it or disable it. You can pin to any point. See, for example, you want to pin this to one position, you can just pin it at any position you want. Okay, you can just move it, pin it, and if you want, you can just move it, place it here or here or here. Whichever position you want, you can just do it. Now, next is you can just see the documents over here like this. Here, this is a document. 2 documents you can keep over here. You want to move this, for example, the background I want to move the background, I can move the background over here. Okay, so those things in detail I'll explain to you one by one, but in today's video we are going to see about the tools. Okay, so first thing is you can just see the tools over here arranged, and here you can just see 3 dots, and when you click on this, you just keep pressing the cursor, go and click on Edit Toolbar. When you click on Edit Toolbar, you have lots of tools. That is what all tools you have on the left hand side. In this ribbon, what all things you have, everything is here. So what you do is, this is a toolbar and this one is a extra toolbar. Okay, extra tool means like when you just go over here, any tool if you take, can you see a small dot is there? You keep pressing it, it will give you the extra tools. I'll just show you that in detail. First you clear this off. I've cleared it. Now in the toolbar nothing is there. Okay, only one tool is there, so I just move this tool here. So the move tool is here, and along with the move tool I just want to have rectangle tool. I'm not keeping here, I'm just going to keep it over it. So these two are grouped now. Now I'm going to take quick selection tool and again group it. Now remember, these 3 are one group. Okay, now the crop tool I'm going to keep it separately. Always remember what all things I'm doing here. Okay, crop tool I'm doing separately, and eyedropper tool I'm putting it along with crop tool. This one along with the crop tool. So 3 tools. To start with, I'm just showing you. So I've done all the 3. Okay, finished it and it is done. So when you click on done, you can just see 2 things are there, 2 important things, like move tool and the crop tool, the highlight. Okay, so here you just see 3 are there, here 3 are there. Now I click on done. If you want, you can save this to, like click on the save. You can save it as a TBR. .tbr is extension. You can save it and you can use it for further use. Now this is over and click on done. Now when you just go here, this is what I called you. You click on this, you can just see the extension. Here also you can just see the extension. Okay. So you have the 3 in one group and 3 in one group. Now you want to reset it back to the original position. Then what you have to do is the similar things here. You can just see workspace. I'm going to click on painting. So what all things related to painting, all those tools will appear here. When I go and click on motion or photography, what all things related to photography will appear, and you can see on the right hand side what all things related to photography. Okay, and now I'm going to go and select the tool. See, go click on edit tool and I'm going to load the preset. When I click on done, you can just see my preset what I've just used it. Each people will use their own tools, like they might be using favorite tools. They might be having spot healing tool or crop tool for that work, because it differs for each and every project. The tools might differ, so you can select accordingly and you can save the tool. You can, so that it is easy for you. No need to search for the tool. It's easy for you to take the tool. Okay. Any comments about this video is welcome. You can just give your valid comments, and please subscribe to this channel so that I'll just show you. I am not doing anything in a cinematic way, like just like the more important thing is, like you people should understand what I'm doing. Okay, it is not the cinematic style showing all CG work and other things and all. Okay, anyway, thank you. Your support is needed. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.